So Elci and I have started gathering boxes and buying tape because we're gonna be moving soon. Muito obrigado. Elci, are you going somewhere? Yes, we're moving. So now that we're about to move into the house, we've been driving around looking for things to buy, such as this kind of stuff. We're looking for a table by the swimming pool. That's going to be the principal table for us to be eating and sitting and working on. And we found these as we were shopping at Açaí. And they can deliver. That's the best part. They can deliver. So we might have found ourselves a dining table.
Even though it doesn't have the
Let's go with this. Yeah? I think this is more practical if we have family coming over, and this is good for 6 to 8 people.
His name is the same of my youngest brother, Jefferson. And he says, "You blessed me today." And I said, yeah, thank God, right? He uses us to bless others. And they are blessing us.
Yes.
Our Christmas table will be that one.
There you go.
Right?
This is going to be our Christmas table. Awesome.
December 11th, 2022. We're about 4 or 5 days away from moving into our beach house. Cannot wait. It's about probably 82, 83 degrees warm, but there's a healthy breeze, so it feels just right.
There's Elci, and take a look at that. We just got ourselves some pichinga. What is nome desse? Pichinga, no? Ah. Oh yeah, look at this fried fish. Not the healthiest thing in the world, but if you eat it once in a while, you're good to go.
Oh. Life in Brazil. What's not to love?
I mean, what's not to love? I don't think.
You know, we've been so busy the last couple of months with this house construction.
Yeah.
You know, every day driving almost an hour one way to get there, spending 6 or 7 hours there, and then driving an hour back to our rental place. And then not to mention, you know, various trips to buy things for the crew from various construction stores, etc. So we're at this beach really after a very long time, even though this beach is literally a quarter mile from our house. So we're gonna hang out here, drink lots of coconut water and fresh juices, right? And be healthy.
She says.
Says our combi reminds her the Scooby-Doo van.
Oh,
It is
that's
like a-
right.
yeah.
Oh, I never even thought about that. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? To look at this place, Elci. And I think
they sell like cacao and chocolate.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something